Have you ever noticed how your mood shifts when the days get shorter? The mornings feel heavy, the evenings arrive too soon, and suddenly, you're craving carbs, skipping workouts, or feeling more tired than usual. For some people, this isn't just winter sadness. It's something called Seasonal Affective Disorder, or SAD. SAD is more common than most people think, and it's not just in your head, it's biological. When there's less daylight, your brain produces less serotonin, the hormone that keeps you happy. Your internal body clock gets confused when sunrise comes later and sunset earlier. And with less sunlight, vitamin D levels drop, which can leave you feeling sluggish and low. That's why some people feel like their whole system is out of balance in darker months. But here's the good news. There are natural ways to fight back and lift that fog. You don't have to wait until spring to start feeling like yourself again. 1. Light therapy lamp. One of the most effective remedies is light. Our bodies are wired to respond to sunlight, and when we don't get enough, we can simulate it. A light therapy lamp, sometimes called a happy light, used for about 30 minutes in the morning, can mimic natural sunlight and reset your circadian rhythm. Even without a lamp, simply opening your blinds, sitting by a bright window, or stepping outside as soon as you wake up can make a noticeable difference in mood and energy. 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is another powerful ally. Many people with SAD are deficient in it, and supplementing has been shown to ease symptoms. Foods like salmon, eggs, and fortified milk help. But in darker months, a supplement often makes the difference. Think of it as bottling a little bit of sunshine for your body. 3. Exercise and movement also plays a huge role. It may feel impossible when your energy is low, but even a 20-minute walk increases oxygen flow to the brain and releases endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. Outdoor walks are best because they combine light and activity. But even yoga or stretching indoors works wonders. The important part is to get moving. Your brain will thank you. 4. Diet is another factor that's often overlooked. When the winter blues hit, our bodies crave sugar and simple carbs. They give quick comfort, but they also lead to energy crashes that make brain fog worse. Instead, steady your system with complex carbs, protein, leafy greens, and omega-3 rich foods like nuts and fish. These give your brain the steady fuel it needs to function clearly. 5. Increase sleep quality. Sleep is also critical. People with SAD often oversleep or struggle with poor quality rest. What helps is consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, restores your rhythm. Pair that with reducing screens before bed. And making your bedroom cool, dark, and cozy, and your sleep becomes truly restorative. 6. Stress management. Stress management can't be ignored either. Cortisol, the stress hormone, actually blocks memory and joy. Simple practices like meditation, journaling, or even 10 minutes of deep breathing can calm your nervous system. And if you feel your symptoms are too heavy to handle alone, therapy or joining a support group can make a massive difference. 7. Maintain your environment. Don't underestimate your environment. Bright lighting, warm colors, plants, or even simple aromatherapy with citrus or peppermint can change the energy of your space. These details sound small, but they influence mood more than people realize. Each of these remedies works on its own, but together they build a safety net for your mental health. In fact, studies show that daily light therapy can improve mood within 2 weeks. And when you pair it with consistent sleep, movement, and nutrition, the results multiply. So if you've been feeling weighed down by the winter blues, remember, it's not just in your head, and you don't have to just endure it. Try even one of these remedies this week. Maybe step outside in the morning, add a vitamin D supplement, or set a regular bedtime. You might be surprised at how quickly your energy and outlook improve. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced that seasonal slump? Which remedy do you want to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health hacks that can keep you feeling brighter all year long.